Hello, my name is Nguyen, but you can call me Mia. I already had 7 years of experience in operation management and business consultancy before earning myself a master's degree in business analytics. And here are 3 reasons why I'm a good fit for your team. First, I'm reliable. My work results are proven with concrete figures and numbers, from a significant reduction in operation costs, a stable project delivery performance, or a leap in client satisfaction. Secondly, I'm resourceful. I'm a problem-based learner, so I have independently mastered numerous tools necessary for modern business environment, from Tableau to Python, ensuring that I can offer transformative solutions. At Learnery.io, I led the development of a user-centric product roadmap that aligned with business solutions to expedite product launch, and it achieved 70% reduction in client workload by integrating automation workflow using Excel, Zapier, and GPT prompt engineering. Having me on your team means that you have a project manager, a research analyst, and a business consultant in a package. And finally, I'm resilient. I'm not hesitate to any challenge coming at me. I commit to my every company always got recognized by a promotion or at least role expansion. So I got exposure to a wide range of business functions, environment settings, and working modalities. All in all, I'm eager to bring my track record of success and dynamic skill set to your team, proving that when you hire me, you gain a member striving for excellence. You can find further information in my CV, LinkedIn, and portfolio in my application package. Thank you for considering my profile. I look forward to the opportunity to further discuss how I can contribute to your success.